You can now search for the resources available at our library by clicking on the Heritage Library link on our webpage. This will then bring you through to our online library catalogue, and you click here to enter the library. From here, type in the keywords of the book you wish to find and click on the search icon. This will then bring up a list of all the results relating to your keywords. Once you've found the title you would like to look at, click on the link, and this will bring up all the information relating to the resource. Under status, you can see we've got a copy on loan, and it has the date it is due back at the library, and you can also see that there's a book available. To find that book within the library, make a note of the class number and then go to our shelves to find it. Also do a guided search on our catalogue. Simply type in the fields of what you want to look at. You can search by title, author, subject, keyword, including the module code for your course if applicable, publication year, and by media, which includes DVDs, journals and textbooks. So type in the field you wish to search and then click on the search button. This will then bring through a more defined list of results. Search through to find the book you wish to look at, click on the link, and this will check that the resource is available. Note here on the loan type that if the book is a reference title, you will not be able to take it out of a library, but you can read and review it while studying at the library. Once you're happy with your choice, make a note of the class mark and go to our shelves to find it.